kurobosongo goika moja na kurosugusu goika irianye amoneze engima ano ga okonyora
amangana amaye ayabene kurwa abagusi Global Radio engata ya mwanyagetingerega amato tukumanye
omurwe TV ya Agr ndengenga muyole andonsi asole chingakichiga niko chabere chisa cyo kubaletera mangana amayabu na atikire imene isiko yorongo rwo gusiku rwiga asemese YouTube libuna atikire litukeliga lya lero asenjire gwikira nuko ni litangani tonyore mangana yo asenjira ayo gwege omubunge okapsaret oskasudi wikiwa asekigambiro Kamuranche inga obulendi magaga yoko obwera obugima hwane omuseneta we county ya Kakamega Cleophas Malala kolera imeye bunge na hoyo raralie chitari kibeneka chisukuru chira chikoigurwa aiga Kenya nigatigarita ko bomuraibwense Uhuru Kenyatta muwaziri Professor George Magoha otebire mangana yo asenjira yobwikirano amalietane Dennis Zadok Mubunge we bunge ya Kapsaret Oscar Asudi litukolia lero nigo aikiwa ase ekigambiro magaga yogokwana amangana yokomochechelia umuraibwese Uhuru Kenyatta ne family yaye Oscar Asudi nigo arasoerwe na momochayo abo ase amage turache kumanyiwa una aragendere
in connection with the above offenses but were unable to arrest him due to resistance from members of the public outside and inside his home.
Yes.
The respondent, we believe, has got information necessary to assist the police in the investigations, given the fact that he himself has not recorded his statement, and several witnesses are yet to be traced and interviewed.
Yes.
The investigations will entail extraction and analysis by the DCI Forensic Lab of the video clip containing the several speeches made by the respondents on the 7th of September.
Omwaziri wejisemi aiga Kenya Professor George Magoha na umerana na bagwatani wejisemi okwanira injira chisukuru kirache koigurwa ekaro oburwire bwa corona bura gendere koirana inse ase inse ya Kenya kagukwana na barikia mangana Magoha ni gateba uyorara lie chitari kibene ekaro chisukuru kirache koigurwa aiga Kenya ni gatigarita ko muraibwense Uhuru Kenyatta abwasate banga muraibwense nachikukwanira nganeyo
consensus that indeed it is time to relook because the doctor has told you the curve is flattening. I have said in the past that social distancing in our public schools is going to remain a challenge. I've also said that there are certain things we are doing about getting masks at the very worst for the vulnerable and the less fortunate children. All those processes are ongoing. And in order for us to prepare a presentation to present to the bigger stakeholders meeting, which will take place sometime next week, either before or on the 25th, we have decided to reactivate the smaller stakeholders group between now and Saturday to work on the finer details of proposals that shall be interrogated by this larger stakeholders group.
Tukutigana ningane yo ya Magoha enka eyemo imiye county ya Nandi nigo yabolirie serikali kubakonya kuriya umwanchobo gw'emyaka 23 oyogwa amache imekera ringi gutambuka oborarobombo bagukwana nabarikia mangana abamenyi benseme yo bakubwatira nenki yune amate nigo batebanga babere bakuriya umwanchobo asamatuko 3 kurende taratuka
Mtu wetu mmoja alipotea, alichukuliwa na maji. Sababu ni kwa vile daraja haipatikani hapa, MCA hatumuoni, gavana pia hapatikanagi kwa urahisi.
Jinsi alichukuliwa, tulikuwa wengi tukitazama. Hakuna jinsi ambayo tungemsaidia kwa sababu maji yalikuwa mengi na yalikuwa naenda mwendo wa kazi.
Tunaomba usaidizi kwa sababu tumejaribu kutafuta huyu mjamaa kwa muda ya siku 3 sasa.
Magana yabana abange kinyaruka abo bale inse y'emyaka 15 n'etatu ase county ya Trans Nzoia korolekana gutwara amalito bona bagwakire kurwase county yo babolirie abayiboli babana abo wakachiripoti kucyase ebituo by'abanyanyimbo eri bali bakorete okomoja uko babekwe byara na kwimukirwa
Trans Nzoia County. We have an estimated 11,800 girls when you are expectant at the age of below 18 years. So tukona hii ni crisis, tukakam pamoja kama mawakili and other professions and celebrities to just push this agenda to come and provide sanitary towels.
Na unapata kwamba mojawapo ya sababu ambazo wasichana hawa wanapata mimba ni kwa sababu wengi wao hasa katika familia ambayo hajiwezi kiuchumi wanakosa vitu vingi, mojawapo ikiwa sodo.
We always say that at home there's no these jobs to do. Yeah, so our parents sometimes they don't have cash to give us. We are just there. We are scared to walk outside because we are ashamed. Maybe you are passing, then it is seen on your cloth. We are just ashamed. So now we got
tugutigana ningane yo nigo yaba umuchano no gukumia ekromo senator bwe county ya Kakamega Cleophas Malala kurira imeye bunge ekroika bosio bwe committee ya obulendi imeye bunge Malala nigo agotebanga niga boreta kwegwa obulendi bwe isaide maiga yoko aboera ubugima obwaye.
For me to walk around the streets of Kakamega and Kenya knowing that I'm going to die the following day, Mr. Chair. And the most painful thing, Mr. Chair, I see respectable leaders of this republic saying that I forged my arrest, Mr. Chair. After all this, somebody says that I planned with the police to forge, that I stage managed my arrest, surely, that I even sent the police a PIN number. Mr. Chair, I carry a heavy heart with me.
Yes, mwanchwa mwelugwe TV ya AGR gwikiragabo no kuye gutulira magana amaya senchi ogwikira runateka ahiga sebese ito yubarali tukeligalia lero goika abwankyo ni gonkubaganiria obotegereri obuyano buligererio buya imeye TV ito ya AGR ni gonkugosaba onyare gokobo member oito somo fuasi ito asoko gande patron ye inside ikirenga subscribe elinde oyekune ebuna enchira ya moyo koba mo member oito asorabe gokonyora magana amaya una agwateka SMS ito yubarali kera elitugo ni gonkubaganiria obotegereri obuyano bulilubuya imeye TV ito ya AGR oyolenge magaga yechi camera konekinga oyosingo ikiranale nigo akurukwa Edwin Mokaya isebodonirwa Jeremiah Orina Ontiri oyo baletera mangana maya aselitukeriga lya lero nigo nkurukwa Dennis Zadok miyamano
tekire ntogendere ukumanyia amange kurwa AGR ekeumbu kyomugusi.